So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today will be another video for to help a high school student prepare for the SAT math. So SAT is a really important test that most of the high school student will take in order to get into their dream school, their dream college. So with that goal, with that mission, I will made more video about SAT math to help them prepare well on this really important test. So on the previous video we already solved like the first five questions, and it's pretty easy because it's the question is from module 1, and also it is the really early question, like it's a warm-up question, so it's kind of easy. So now moving on to um the next question, which is I think it is more challenging when compared to the first five. So let's go straight into the question. So the first one is number 6. So the scatter plot show the relationship between two variable x and y, and it gives you this scalar plot over here. So which of the following equation is the most appropriate linear model for the data show? So for this type of question, it's give you a lot of dots over here, a lot of points over here, but what I will do is to randomly choose two of them to find the linear model for this data. So I can go ahead and choose the first one, over here. Oh my god. The first one over here and the last one over here. I mean, I will choose the point that easy to find um its location. So for this one is a good example because it's like in the intersection between two lines, so you can find its location pretty easy. So the this point will have a location of 0 and 25, and let's go ahead and find a good point for this evaluation. So I will choose maybe this one, and since as it's not in the intersection between two lines, you're gonna approximate its location. So for the x it will be 3, and for y you may be like, let's say um let's say 6, I think. So let's go ahead and no, maybe 7. I think 7 is a good one. So 7. So you have this two, and the linear model will have uh this formula, y equal to ax plus b, right? So you go ahead and substitute x and y of these 2 points, and you will have a system of equation 25 equal to 0 plus b, and 7 equal to 3a plus b. So you will have p equal to 25, and a will equal to 7 minus 25 divided by 3, and it will give you uh it will give you a minus 6. So looking at the answer choice, you will find a equation that approximate it's I mean it can be exactly the same, or it can be partially the same as uh as the equation that you just find. So y equal to minus 6x plus 25. So you go to the answer join. This 28x, not really good. Minus 28, not really good. plus 6x, not really good, and this one is minus 6. So what you are looking for? What are you looking for? So the answer is D. So let's go ahead and move to number 7. So a scientist analyzed a soil sample with a mass of 900 grams and determined that it contained 189 grams of water. What is the percentage of water by mass in a soil sample? So the percentage of water. So you take the mass of the water divided by the mass total and go ahead and multiply by 100%, and you have mass of water is 189 over the total mass is 900 and multiply by 100 percentage, and it will give you 21%. So the answer is D. So moving on to number 8. So line N is shown in the XY plane. So this is line N, and line K not show. It's perpendicular to line N. What is the slope of line K? So for this question, you have to know that if the two lines in the XY plane perpendicular to each other, the slope of this line will at the products of the sum the products of the slope of these two lines will equal to minus. So it's mean so let's say slope n multiplied by slope k will equal to minus 1. And what you want, you want to find slope k, so that means you already know slope n. So because you have the line over here, so you can find the slope n pretty easy. So slope n equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you choose this dot over here, so it's give you 0 and 5, and over here it's give you minus 1 and minus 1. So you will substitute to this formula, and you have 5 minus 1, 0 minus 1, and you have 6 over 1, and it will be equal to 6. So go ahead and substitute this. You have 6 multiplied by slope k equal to minus 1. So slope k will equal to minus 1 over 6. So the answer is B. Yeah, so the answer is B. Oh really? Oh yeah. So thank you. Oh wait. I mean, I may do something wrong here. No, it actually look good. Yeah, it's look good. It look good for me. So yeah, you can see that I have go to like next three question on this test, and you can see that it will get harder and harder, and it is what the test is designed. So it will really hard at the end of the test. So be prepared to do the first couple of questions really fast, so that you can save more time for the really challenging question at the end. Yeah, so that is some of my strategy, some of my tips for you guys to prepare for SAT math. So in the future, I will make more SAT math video if you guys interested in, and Oh, and if you guys interested in, you guys can leave a comments on, leave the comments below, and I will know and I will make more videos. So thank you for watching.